What's up everyone, Arif here, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to grab an image out of your video. And this is actually useful for a number of things. If you want to kind of extend a frame, or even if you want to kind of capture a thumbnail. There are times when I forget to make a thumbnail about me holding the product or something. Or maybe I just have a better way to do it in the video and no reason to reinvent the wheel. So if we go through any video here, and this is with Adobe Premiere, I'm not sure what you Mac Final Cut people use, that's a you problem. But looking at Adobe Premiere, if I say I forgot my thumbnail, I can just go through the video and obviously find one that's not blurry. God, my face is fat, but I'd rather have a fat face than be poor. And you can see in this video, I was reviewing some chocolate. So since I need a thumbnail and I don't really readily want to make one or have one, you can actually come down here onto your timeline and click on export frame. This will export this particular frame as a PNG file, and then you can actually use that to upload as your thumbnail or modify to make into a thumbnail if you once again forget to record one or just don't feel like putting the extra effort in to make one. So there you guys go. That is what you do. Just come over, find a frame you like, click export frame, and put it in the folder. So guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you like this video, please do hit that like button. Please do hit that subscribe button. We're trying to get to 2,000 subs. I've been Arif. This has been a quick tutorial of exporting frames, and I'll see all of you on the next video. Bye.